Hello friends, welcome to Oracle Apex tutorials. In this video, I will teach you how we can create a simple web application using Oracle Apex framework. To create the applications in yesterday's tutorial, in previous tutorial, we have seen that how to create the workspace and log into the workspace. I will just log into my workspace. For that, I will go to apex.oracle website. You can bookmark this website so that it will be available for easy access. Click for the sign in. Enter your workspace name, username and password. So once you log into the workspace, it will be navigated to this dashboard. It will show top apps and top users based on the user login to the applications. Here we can see summary of applications, tables and developers. This means in this workspace we have 5 applications, 80 tables and 1 developer. If we scroll to the down, here we can see Oracle Apex version. So currently I am working on 23.1.0. So this is the latest one. For more details, we can also see by clicking on this question mark. Then just click on About. Here we can see more details about the workspace and version and more details. So here this is the version. Here this is the workspace ID, workspace name, user details, and there are so many information is available. Just close this. So now we will see how to create simple application. For creating application, we can either click on the app builder and click on create, or you can click on the app builder. Once you click on the app builder, so it will show all the existing applications in your workspace. As it shown in the summary, 5 applications, we can see that here. So here we can switch from cards display type to report type. So in report format, it will show in this format. These are all 5 existing applications. Now we want to create new application. For that, just click on the create button. We can use this or this. Both will do the same thing. So once you click create application, it will navigate to the this menu. So here we can able to see new application, and if we have Excel file, CSV file or XML or any other JSON file, we can convert those files into successfully working web application in just few clicks. Then here starter app, these are nothing but Oracle already developed some applications for the learning purpose, so we can install them directly. First we will see how we can create the application from scratch without any Excel file. I will select this. After that, it will ask for the application name. In my case, I will something like meeting room booking app. So we will see In future, we will develop the real-time application for meeting room booking application. So for that, I have named my application as meeting room booking app. So you can see here, this is the icon for our application. By default, there are so many icons are available. If we don't want to use the default icons, there is an option we can upload our own icon. Here we can select any image file so that it will be selected as application icon. Also, we can change color of that icon. Here you can see there are so many options are available. Let me select this one. I will accept the default icon. Then click save icon. Then here we can see appearance. By default it is selected Vita side menu. Just click on this. This appearance, it is nothing but the theme style selection for our application. Currently the selected one is Vita in side menu. So if you select this Vita, so your application navigation bar at the top it will be blue color, and side navigation menu it will be in black color, and it will be in this format. If you select like Vita dark, it will be in this, so redwood light, something like this. And we have different navigation menu style for the navigation purpose. We have side navigation menu, we have top menu, and we have mega menu. Currently I will accept the default one in side menu. So in future tutorials we will change one by one and see the difference. Also we can use our custom theme that will be for advanced version. So no need to worry about this for the time being. Click save changes. Our theme is selected. So here for our application by default there will be home page, and if we want to add more pages at the same time we can add here. And the home page it is created automatically, it is blank, nothing will be there, we can see here. And also this framework will provide some features like progressive web application, push notifications, and access control, theme style selection, activity reporting, configuration options, and feedback. For the time being, I will not enable all those. In future videos, I will enable one by one and explain you in detail. If you see the next menu, it is settings. So whenever we create any application in Oracle Apex, it is stored in the database as a data. So for that, each our applications will have some unique IDs. So this is my application ID. It is automatically generated. We are still able to change this. You can see this question mark for the application IDs. There are some IDs reserved for Oracle, so that we cannot use those IDs. Then after that, it will show the schema of your database. There is a possibility in our database there will be more than one schema available. So in that time we need to choose the schema accordingly. So after that it will give option for authentication. Authentication, it is nothing but the option we provide for end users to log into our application. There is currently two types are available, but we will accept the default one and see what it is. And also we can create multi-language applications here. If you see this drop down, so in these many languages we can create our web application in this framework. So we will create the English. Then in advanced setting, if you see, no need to worry about these things. Here this will add the branding for Oracle Apex. Add built with Oracle to the footer, sorry. And this is our version number of applications. We can name something like copyright or something we can add here. And logging, this mainly for in future tutorials I will explain more about these things, so no need to worry about. And here we can set our session length for our application, like after 5 minutes the session will go automatically, user need to re-log in or something like that. So we can do that here. And after that, here we can define default date format for our application, timestamp format, and etc. Just close this. Then here we have something called user interface defaults. So no need to worry about this one at the initial stage. Just go back. Now click on create application. See, our web application, it's already created. Without writing a single line of code, our responsive web application is ready. So to run the application, you can just click on run application. So when you create any application, by default it will create page 9999 as a login page, and the page 1, this is the home page, and the page 0, this is the global page. So by default, whenever you create any application, these three pages will be created automatically. Now to log into this application, so we need to use the same accounts we used to log into the workspace, because in the shared components, while creating our application, we defined authentication type as Oracle Apex accounts. So it will take the same workspace credentials to log into the end user application. So this can be customizable, that we will see in future videos. For this, I will use the same credentials. You can set here remember username, so that next time it will take automatically. Click on sign in. So this is the brand new application. If you see this one in Oracle Apex, we will call it as navigation menu, navigation bar. This whatever you are seeing at the top, this is the navigation bar, and if you click here, this is the side navigation menu, and this one you are seeing in the down, this is the developer toolbar. This can be seen by only developers. For example, if I copy the application link, I will paste it in another browser. See, the end user is not able to see the developer toolbar because he don't have access for the development workspace. Sorry, it is already opened in the same browser. This is the navigation menu, and this one we will call it as breadcrumb. In the toolbar, you can see this is the application ID. So this toolbar is mainly for easy access for the development. So if you want to change something in this page, you can directly click on this page so that it will directly go to that page in the development workspace. You see it navigated to that page. So this is the page. So if you want to add any button or something in this page, for example in the home page, if we want to add here one button like create or something, so we can add that button easily. So that will be explained in later in future videos. This is about this. And session, in the URL you are able to see some system generated number. So this is the session ID. So whenever any user log into the application, there will be session ID created by the browser. So it will be part of URL. So here we can see the session state values for our variables of the application. It will show here application, session number, and user who log into the in that session, and workspace ID, some details here. So debug, this is for debugging purpose. So we will see that later. Quick edit. Suppose if we want to change this text, so we can just click on quick edit. Then you can able to see here. So it is selected that particular thing. So just mouse over and single click. It went to that development workspace. Now I want to change this. I will change the title, and this one, if we want to save this and publish to the application, we can just save. This one we can save and run, so that it will save and automatically refresh the end user application. You can see the name changed. So I will just, for the practice, I will just do once again and revert it back to the previous thing. Click on quick edit, select the component, single click, change the name, save and run. Yeah, Thank you friends. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.